Hi, we are ÁrpádSat. We are all students of Óbudai Árpád Gymnásium's 10B class. I am Bognár Gábor and I am 16 years old. I do our outreach duties and I am responsible for any activities that require English.
My name is Debreceni Hugo. I am 16 years old. I'm responsible for our website, 3D plans, renders and 3D printing.
I am Jamnicki Márton and I am 16 years old. I oversee the recovery systems planning and aid our outreach duties.
I am Mihály Zsolt, I am 15 years old and I code our CANSATs and ground station software.
My name is Miklósi Kovács Dániel, I am 16 years old. I connect and manage the tasks that are done separately. I am also accountable for the mechanical structure and the electrical systems of our CANSAT.
My name is Brumena Oszapú Zsuzsanna. I'm the team's mentor. I teach maths to the team's members. I support them in whatever they currently need, give constructive feedback, and warn them about upcoming deadlines.
Our CANSAT's mechanical structure is built up with three bigger pieces. The bottom one is the base of our dust sensor, our biggest sensor. Once fitted in, we can screw on the upper part, which will be the other electronics located in. In the middle, we will have our main printed circuit board. In the side, we will have our battery, and on the other side, we have our main switch. Over the main switch, we have this little plate, which will be super glued here and will hold the antenna of our GPS module. On the upper end of this part, we have this plate, which will also be super glued here once the main printed circuit board is fitted there. So it will hold the board in place and will also help these pillars withstand the forces of the parachute opening. The parachute is tied to these four pillars with these ropes. We have the cover of the other things, which can also be screwed here, and once screwed, we can attach our parachute to the top. And that's the mechanical structure of our CANSAT. Right now we are testing the parachute suspension. Here we have 6 liters of milk packed into this bag, and we'll load it like this, and as you can see, it can easily withstand the forces of 6 liters, so it's 60 newtons, which is 10 newtons more than the 50 newtons that it should withstand.
Ground station software is written in C++ and utilizes the SDL2 module. Its two main components are the graphs and the 3D map. The graphs use an autoscaling method which stretches or compresses the currently available data into a fixed rectangle. The map shows our CANSAT's route in 3D using the GPS's data. The map can also be freely rotated and is zoomable. The software can manage and display more than 8,000 pieces of information without the FPS dropping.